What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription. So to do so, you'll need to go to this website, that's account.adobe.com/plans. And of course, you'll have to be signed in with your account. And in this page, you'll see a manage plan option. If you choose it, it'll give you many options from which you can select the cancel your plan option. If you click on it, it'll check your plan's details and then it'll give you the option to continue to cancel. You can click on that to proceed. It might ask you why you want to cancel. You can choose the option or type in the option and then you review your cancellation details and select confirm cancellation, and your subscription will be canceled and will not be renewed.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.